So this is my Hyundai Kona Electric 64 kilowatt premium edition. I picked it up from Frinton-on-Sea. It was an ex-demonstrator. I believe it was September 2021, and I got a great part exchange deal at the time. Now, I do love the car. I love it absolutely loads. I would never go back to a traditional fossil fuel car. But the only thing I thought that maybe I would have liked that I've seen on other cars is the front boot or trunk. I suppose they call it Froot or Frunk, depending where you're from. So that got me wondering, could I fashion something or even find something online that would maybe fit the job? And well, yeah, I found something on eBay, and this is it. After a little while I decided to go for it. The delivery was quoted at 14 days, but it actually arrived in 7 days. So that was pretty good, and when it arrived it looked like this. Yes, it's a cardboard box, but within that box there's another box. With all the packaging removed, the underside of the box has 4 holes. This is where the mounts attach to. Here you can see the mechanism to securely close the box. And with it opened, I was greeted with this. We seem to have instruction manuals, another little cardboard box, and some sweeties. Pause now for the instruction manual. And now for the all-important 3D printed mounts. This will allow the box to be mounted to the motor in the vehicle. To fit the mounts to the box, just remove the fittings, place the mounts into the holes that are already pre-drilled on the underside of the box, screw it all into place, and it should look something like this. Now the next thing to do is remove the plastic cover that is covering the motor, and then we need to locate the rubber grommets. As you can see here, these are the rubber things that we need to move from the underside of the plastic motor cover to the actual 3D printed mounts themselves. Next you need to place the box with the newly fitted mounts onto the motor. It's fairly obvious where they go. You just have to make sure you press firmly and they clip into place. Well, there you go, here it is. It's working extremely well. I'm very happy with it indeed, and hopefully that's helped someone make the decision out there if you wanted to go for something like this. If you have any questions on my car, the Hyundai Kona Electric 64 kilowatt premium edition, just let me know and I shall answer those questions in the comments. Please like and subscribe and all that, and yeah, thanks for watching.